Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a great video for you. Now this thing in this box right here is amazing. You're gonna have to stick around because this will help you. Your electrical, your carpentry, your plumbing, anything you have to do, have to run something kind of just in the air or you have to line something up. This product is amazing. So stick around guys. All right, as I said, this is a great video. This is the Dovoh PV360G laser level plumb bob. Now, just to go ahead and clear the air out, this was sent to me. I have been using one by Craftsman, which I'm gonna do a review on this one versus the Craftsman. You're gonna see why I now only use this one. I'm gonna tell you obviously, but I'm gonna show you too, because Craftsman is super nice. Been using it for years. When this one came on the market, oh my gosh. What a world of difference. And you're gonna see here in a second why. I don't have the Craftsman today with me, but there will be a video eventually to show you why I think this one is way better. Now, let's go ahead and tell you what you get in here. Now, there's nothing fancy in this. I've already done a Dovoh laser level review, which I'll link at the very end of this. Against the DeWalt. Dovoh blew DeWalt away for a fraction of the price. And I still use my DeWalt, but I always go to that Dovoh. It's so much better. Now, with this one, there's a feature on this thing that's so amazing, and you're gonna see here in a second. So let's go ahead and unbox it first and show you what you get. So this is a semi-hard case. You can drop it on the floor, probably won't hurt. I'm not going to because I need my tools, so I'm just saying if you accidentally drop it. So it got a nice little zipper case. Open it up. I took the directions out, so I've got them here. But you get your charging cable. It does come charged, at least mine did. Completely charged. Here's a charging cable, which I believe it's USB-C, so pretty much most everything's USB-C now. And then the case, pretty cut and dry. It's just a case that's molded, so your laser level fits perfectly inside there. Now, I'm not gonna go over every single spec on this. I'm gonna show you what you came here to see, the most important parts. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. We have a project in my lab right here that we're gonna do. This is gonna make easy work out of us. Now, the old way, you know, and I still use it, not now because I have these, but I did up until I had these laser levels. Take a plumb bob from a ceiling on a string, let it down with a chalk box. If you had that, you know what I'm talking about. You let the chalk box go with no chalk in it, obviously. Let the string down, and let the plumb bob will sit there and shake and shake and shake and shake and shake and shake. Then you get your journeyman down there to hold it, or your helper. And then finally you let it go real easy and it still moves. Then you gotta wait 20 minutes because it's still got that little pendulum swing. So now it's a one-man job. And I'm gonna show you what this one blows, like I mentioned, Craftsman out of the water. This has got a second feature on this thing, not just a plumb bob. It also has a laser level. Who knew? So let me show you, let me put this thing in action. I'll talk a little bit about the specs, not much, because I'm telling you, I only review things that are good. Now, having said that, this was sent to me like I mentioned, so it is a freebie for me. Thank goodness, because it's so amazing. Came at the perfect time. I'm in this classroom teaching these kids. We're gonna be using it here a lot. We got one project we're gonna be doing right now, so I'm gonna show you like I mentioned, and it's just gonna be so easy. But I'm also gonna show them the old school way because sometimes people can't afford these things. So, and this is fairly cheap compared to the Craftsman or any other brand name. So, but I am not knocking the Craftsman because I have it, I still use it when I don't have this one. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started real quick. I'll show you what I'm talking about and then we'll close this video. It's gonna be kind of a quick video. I just wanna show you the highlights of this thing and how beautiful and how amazing it is. Okay, first things first, you see this table's a mess. We have everything kind of loose right now. So what we have temporarily is this plug right here. What I like to do, just for a class project, it's not gonna stay there permanently, but it's gonna be a class project because if you work as an electrician, you know that sometimes you have to run power poles down to wherever. If you go to Target, Walmart's, wherever, you can see those power poles. Well, sometimes you need to know exactly where to put it when it comes out of the ceiling, when it hits the ground. Now I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. So we're gonna pretend that we need this box, but we're gonna do a different box. We're gonna really do this and make sure it works. We're gonna mount a box here on this wooden table, and then we're gonna run a pipe from the ceiling. Now, if you look at any big box store, you will see stuff exactly like we're gonna do. We're gonna come down here, we're gonna 90 into a box or or we're gonna put a conduit right in the top of the box. We might stick it up just like this. So either way, you know, we've got it squared away. And that's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna show you how easy this is if you have the right tools. Believe me, the right tools makes this work just so easy. All right, so right up here you can see we have a pipe run and this cord temporarily hanging down. Now this was here when I got here, but it is correct. Everything is good to go. So we have a pipe, as you can see, it runs, you know, horizontally across the ceiling. So we're gonna come into this panel that's right over here. Now that panel right now is not fired up. However, it will be by the time we get all this squared away. So I'm gonna show you exactly how, with one tool, you can make everything perfect. So just so we're all on the same page, I'll show you all the buttons here in a few minutes. But these are your main buttons right here. Now, what I have on right now, as you can see probably on my hand, I think, I have the green light shooting straight up. Now, I'm gonna bring you around here in a second and show you, but what this is doing, this is showing my box up on the top. It's also showing a line right here. Let me turn this laser around so you can actually see what I'm talking about here. So actually, it's a little easier for me just to bring the camera to you. See that dot right there? That is saying that right there, I have it lined up with this right here. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me zoom in here. Right there is kind of the exact center of where I need to be. Now, if I was to run brand new cable, whatever, that's exactly where I would need to be. It's showing straight on the table and straight up there. So if I was to drop a conduit right down in there, that's exactly the center of that box and the center of the next box where I need to be. Now, obviously, since that box is already occupied, I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna move over a little ways. Let's just say that that was not there, or this was the conduit and I had to run the pipe down the wall into this panel. With the laser set up right here, let me show you another feature of this thing that makes it fan-freaking-tastic. All right, as you can see that conduit, the laser is cutting it right down the middle, and look how accurate that is. Now the conduit's already run. As you can see, it's exactly perfect. Let's just say I wanted to put it in the panel. Well, now all I have to do is walk over there, right over here, and I can see that right here, which you can't see, but I know it's right here. Right here on top of this panel, all I gotta do is knock a hole, boom, and I am literally gonna be right in that panel. So I can take my conduit right down the wall. I can take a pencil and I can mark right here. I can put a piece of strut across there or whatever I want to do. I know exactly where I need to be to bring that all the way down into this panel. So it's super, super helpful. So much easier. Unbelievable. Now, I'm gonna turn you around because it does another beam on the back. I don't really need this beam for what I'm doing, but I'll show you what it does right here. So let's say I was over there and I needed to run, you know, this height right here. Whatever this height is, I don't know. But let's say I needed to run boxes. Well, all I gotta do is take a pencil mark it there, mark it over there, mark it here, and I know exactly either the bottom or the top of my height where I need to be. So this is a fantastic level. All right, so once again, this is the Dovoh PV360G. I want to start out by saying this part right here is your on and off. So once you turn it on, you can see, probably can see the laser. It's all over the place. You can see behind me the crosshairs, maybe. It's so bright, it's crazy. It's a 360-degree self-leveling level. I mean, this does so much of what my other one does in a smaller, compact package, and it does the Plumb bob. So now what happens is I can leave my Craftsman wherever. Not knocking the Craftsman, but I am talking about it. So anyway, that's the on and off button. As soon as you turn it off, boom, it goes on. We'll talk about the battery life, as you can see. And the reason why it's blinking is because it's out of plumb or level. So you can see the battery life where it is right now. And I've used it to do can lights in a house now. So probably used it for about an hour maybe total on those can lights. So I hadn't charged, they came charged. So it does really well. All right, let's talk about some of the other features on here. I'm gonna turn it off because it's blinking and everything. So if you look that little pi symbol under my fingernail. I don't know if you can see it or not. So it's got a power button and it's got that pi symbol. Now that is a pulse laser. What that does, if you have a receiver, which I don't have that, I don't ever probably need that because this will be exclusively, I would use it only inside, more than likely. Now, I'm not gonna say I will never use it outside, but so you have a receiver and this thing, I don't know if you'll see it in the camera, I'll show you. So when you turn it on, when you put the pulse on, it kind of dims a little bit, but it's flickering super fast. I can't see it with my eye, maybe you guys can, but I can't. And it sends a pulse to a receiver and that sees it. So if you're outside in really highly lit, sunny skies, this thing will catch it. So pretty awesome on that. Now I'll show you, I'll turn it on real quick and show you since I mentioned it. So if you can see let me get it level. If you can see it, right now it's off. If I turn it on, see how it dimmed down a little bit? So if you leave it on, which you don't need it inside, it will wear the battery down supposedly a little bit more. I don't know if it does or not. I just leave it off because I don't need that. All right, we'll turn it off. All right, I'm gonna turn it completely off. All right, next is the H and the V lines, horizontal, vertical, and then if you press it again, you get the little plumb bob feature. Pretty amazing. One more project we have with this, which is gonna be pretty awesome. And I hope I can record it. I don't know if I can because I'm at school, obviously. We're gonna be setting equipment with this. So we're gonna put a piece of huge equipment. We're gonna put it on top where the disconnect is. We're gonna shoot a line up and we're gonna see where that is. So when I can take my drop straight into the disconnect, it's gonna be pretty awesome. So a lot of work is pretty much done with this versus the old plumb bob. So really high quality. Your charging port is right here, right on the side. So any USB-C will do it. If you got one of them battery packs, you can do it. You have a 1/4 inch threaded hub, so you can right on top of a tripod. So having said all that, I'm gonna leave a link to Amazon where you can check us out. Now, if you decide to buy from my link, it could potentially make me money. I'm an affiliate with them. All the money goes right back to the channel, no matter what. Always goes to buy different products. And I've got a bunch I'm gonna be reviewing, so you guys definitely need to make sure that you hit that thumbs up. If this content or any of my content has given you any value, guys, make sure you smash that thumbs up. It does mean the world to me. One more thing, if you made this far, I wanna tell you, you will never see AI generated content on my channel ever. Now you may see a thumbnail with some AI generated pictures, but never a video. It'll always be me. You can't replace the human in video. I don't like watching AI. I'm not saying it's bad because I love AI, but I'm just saying you'll never see that on my video. So keep that in mind. You'll always see real life videos in my video. I will never change ever. So I'm gonna leave a link like I mentioned. Check it out. Subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up if my content has given you value. Right here, coming up in this card, you will see the first Dovoh, or maybe a Dovoh laser level video. Check that out, click on it, watch it. You'll see the difference between the DeWalt and how awesome it is, and I'll catch you in that video. If you like what you see here, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day.